Hello, today we'll be talking about Stufful, the first of two normal fighting Pokemon introduced in Gen 7, the other being its evolution, Beware. Stufful is also the final base normal fighting Pokemon. As of the filming of this, it's also the only normal fighting Pokemon that evolves as of the filming of this. It's also the final fighting type base Pokemon that evolves introduced in Gen 7. It's also tied with Mankey for the shortest fighting type Pokemon as of the filming of this. By extension, Stufful is the shortest dual-type fighting type Pokemon as of the filming of this. Its previous PYC dates are March 26th, 1998, January 25th, 2001, November 27th, 2003, September 28th, 2006, July 30th, 2009, May 31st, 2012, April 2nd, 2015, February 1st, 2018, December 3rd, 2020, and October 5th, 2023. I love Stufful's design, as it reverses the typical design of a first stage bear Pokemon, where instead of a bear cub based Pokemon that looks like a teddy bear, it's a Pokemon partially based on a teddy bear while looking like a typical bear cub. Anyway, let's get into the Bulbapedia article. Hello and welcome to the Bulbapedia section of the video. Today we'll be talking about Stufful, the flailing Pokemon whose number is 0759. This is what it looks like. Its type is normal fighting. Since this is the first time we've had normal fighting in the info box, we'll point out the normal inside, the fighting outside. Abilities, Fluffy or Klutz. Cute Charm is its hidden ability. Gender ratio is 50-50. Catch rate is 140 or 28%. Breeding is a group field, hatch time 15 cycles. Height is 1 foot 8 or 0.5 meters. Weight is 15 pounds or 6.8 kilograms. Base experience yield is 68. Leveling rate is medium fast. EV yield is 1 and attack. Shape is that. Pokedex color is pink and base friendship is 70. Stufful is a dual type normal / fighting Pokemon introduced in Gen 7. It evolves into Beware starting at level 27. Biology, Stufful is a small quadrupedal Pokemon resembling a bear cub. Its body and head are mostly pink, while its legs are brown. Each foot has a single pink paw pad on the bottom. There is a white semicircle marking around its face, similar to a headband, and it has a white muzzle with a triangular black nose. Its white-tipped ears are situated on the sides of its head, and there is a small white-tipped tuft of fur under each. Around the center of its short puffy tail is a dark pink ring marking. Under the tail is a small white flap resembling a tag on a stuffed toy. This is actually an organ that releases an odor used to communicate with others of its kind. Despite its small size, Stufful has extraordinary strength and can knock out even well-trained Pokemon if they are unprepared. The combination of its cute appearance, mannerisms, and fluffy fur make it quite popular. However, Stufful actually dislikes being touched and will flail its powerful arms if it is embraced. Stufful's flailing is powerful enough to break thick tree trunks, as mentioned in the Sleep Style decks. Stufful is filled with power despite sleeping. It is often seen flailing about and moving constantly while sleeping, as in the Poke Problem segment of Living on the Cutting Edge. Stufful is powerful enough to break through walls of steel. Prior to Gen 8, Stufful and its evolved form, Beware, were the only known Pokemon that could have Fluffy as an ability. Evolution, Stufful evolves into Beware, so Stufful, Beware. Game data, Pokedex entries in Gen 7. Sun. Despite its adorable appearance, when it gets angry and flails about, its arms and legs could knock a pro wrestler sprawling. Moon. A touch from anyone except a known friend sends it into a surging frenzy. It's an incredibly dangerous Pokemon. Ultra Sun. It boasts power enough to split large trees in half. The organ on its rear releases an odor that it uses to communicate with others of its kind. Ultra Moon. Stufful hates to be hugged or touched in any way. It will squirm, thrash, and resist with amazing power. In Gen 8 Sword. Its fluffy fur is a delight to pet, but carelessly reaching out to touch this Pokemon could result in painful retaliation. Shield. The way it protects itself by flailing its arms may be an endurable sight, but stay well away. This is flailing that can snap thick tree trunks. Stufful need Lola Pokedex. Game locations. Side game locations. Stats, base stats, HP 70, attack 75, defense 50, special attack 45, and special defense and speed 50 for a total of 340. Type effectiveness, damage normally by normal, poison, ground, steel, fire, water, grass, electric, ice, and dragon. Weak to fighting, flying, psychic, and fairy, all for double. Immune to ghost, resistant to rock, bug, and dark, all for half. Notes of this Pokemon is given a ring target, the effectiveness of ghost type moves is 1, so go from 0 to 1. If this Pokemon is Fluffy, the effectiveness of fire type moves that do not make contact is 2. So those moves specifically would be 2 instead of 1. Learn set by leveling up. 1, Tackle and Leer, 4, Baby Doll Eyes, 8, Payback, 12, Brutal Swing, 16, Endure, 20, Strength, 24, Takedown, 28, Flail, 32, Hammer Arm, 36, Thrash, 40, Pain Split, 44, Double Edge, 48, Superpower. By TM/TR, TM00, Mega Punch, 1, Mega Kick, 4, Ice Punch, 5, Thunder Punch, 21, Rest, 22, Rock Slide, 24, Snore, 25, Protect, 29, Charm, 31, Attract, 39, Facade, 43, Brick Break, 48, Rock Tomb, 57, Payback, 59, Fling, 75, Low Sweep, 76, Round, 81, Bulldoze, 97, Brutal Swing, and 98, Stomping Tantrum. For the TRs, TR00, Swords Dance, 10, Earthquake, 20, Substitute, 26, Endure, 27, Sleep Talk, 37, Taunt, 39, Superpower, 48, Bulk Up, 64, Focus Blast, 69, Zen Headbutt, 74, Iron Head, and 85, Workup. By breeding, this group gives it Defense Curl, this group gives it Force Palm, this group gives it Rollout, and this group gives it Stomp. By tutoring, in the Sword and Shield expansion pass, you can get Coaching. It's a fighting status move. PP is 10. By transfer from another generation, Aerial Ace, Buy, that doesn't work anymore, Bind, Confide, Double Team, Dual Chop, Focus Punch, Frustration, that doesn't work anymore, Hidden Power, that doesn't work anymore, Return, that doesn't work anymore, Roar, Roleplay, Swagger, Toxic, and Wide Guard. Side game data, you got all that. Pokemon Sleep. Despite its adorable appearance, this Pokemon has enough strength to smash down a large tree. Even as it sleeps, Stufful is overflowing with power, and it's often seen flailing about and moving actively in its sleep. Flailing Sleep, Sturdy Sleep, Log Hugging Sleep, and a Top Belly Sleep. Evolution data, Stufful, level 27, Beware. Sprites here. So, you got the models. I guess that's like the tag organ. Shiny is gold and orange. In Gen 8, you get the much better models. Homes, you get these models. Looks like it's a much different brown. Interesting. Animation. Stufful in Pokemon the series, Sun and Moon. Stufful anime is the big one. Got all this. Pokedex entries in Sun and Moon, episode 96 in the Rotom Pokedex. Stufful, the flailing Pokemon. A normal and fighting type. Although it's adorable, it doesn't like being touched by strangers, and it will flail around dangerously in response. In the manga, Stufful in Pokemon Adventures. Got all this. The TCG. Trivia, Stufful and its evolution are currently the only Pokemon evolutionary line to make their Pokemon Go debut in a community day. Concept and development. Concept art featuring Stufful from Pokemon Sun and Moon. It's got the different angles, different mouths, like it has the mouth open, and like fighting a little bit, flailing around. Origins. Stufful appears to be based on the red panda, as well as stuffed animals such as teddy bears. The white flail under its tail resembles tags seen on stuffed animal toys. Name origin. Stufful may be derived from stuffed animal or a combination of stuff and full. It may also incorporate scuffle for its aggressive nature and propensity to fight. Nui Koguma may be a combination of Nuigurumi, stuffed animal, and Koguma, bear cub. Now the languages, related articles, references, external links. Let's move on. Now let's watch Stufful's first scene in the anime. Hello and welcome to the anime portion of the video. Today we're watching episode 983, A Dream Encounter. In this episode, Ash Ketchum is eating breakfast at Professor Kukui's house while watching the news. The female news anchor is explaining that the Woman of the Year award has gone to Professor Burnett, a scientist that Professor Kukui seems to know. Right now, the news anchor is explaining Professor Brunette and her accomplishments.
Researcher, combined with her likable, approachable character, made for...
And that is Stufful's first scene in the anime. Let's move on. Now let's see why other people love Stufful. Now let's look at fan art. Hello and welcome to the fan art section of the video. No recent fan art, so instead we're looking at DeviantArt fan art. To those of you familiar with the series, you might be wondering why we're on the single image, and that's because it's the only image we'll be doing today. This is Stufful by Angel Rose Star. So, got this cute image of Stufful here. Very well done. That's it, let's move on. Thanks to everyone who submitted fan art. Tomorrow I'll be talking about Beware. As always, this isn't my proper outfit, you'll see me tomorrow.